Clwstwr was a collaborative R&D project. We funded projects through seed funding and development funding, as well as then providing design thinking support, project development support, business development support as well.
We're Wales's largest post-production company, so we edit, we sound mix, we colour grade. What we wanted to do was look at innovative ways to remote work, how we can replicate the in-room experience for all the multitude of services that we do in creative post-production. We were able to utilise remote working to bid on tenders for projects that historically would never have come into Wales. It's all new markets that came from our research and innovation.
There were 120 funded projects through the programme. USW was directly involved in 49 of those projects. Some of those projects went on to obtain more funding. Some of them meant that jobs were secured within the region, and the businesses have grown and become more commercially sustainable.
One thing that's been really positive is that we're seeing lots of production companies offering R&D arms, innovation arms to their companies. And that's great to see. It's great that we're seeing Wales now become a place where it's not just a location. We have the talent, the skills and the innovation to continue and to grow.
Through Clwstwr, I think we've actually changed our business massively. We now not only realise that innovation is important, it's critical to our business. We are an innovation company now, and we absolutely learned this through our Clwstwr project.